Okay, so we're looking at the 3 previous day high-low trade setup. What does that look like on the dashboard? So we're looking at Euro Swiss. It is showing a 3 peak formation low and a 3 previous day high. So by the time I get to the charts, guys, because I trade New York, this has already gave me the 33 setup, right? So this is already telling me that there is a reversal coming up. Okay, that's how I look at it, right? So let me show you what I mean. So, so 3 peak formation low. I count that as 1, 2, and then day 3. And so day 4 is literally the day where a reversal should happen. Okay. Now, the indicator counts it like this. And that's why you see 3. 1, 2, 3. The indicator is counting 3 days from the peak. I'm counting 3 days of the peak. And if you want me to get this a little bit more crazier, we can use Stacy Burke's, the way he counts it. This is day 1, day 2, day 3. Because Monday's day 1, Tuesday's day 2. Wednesday is day 3, which turns into day 1. And then Thursday's day 2, Friday's day 3. When I first heard that concept, I was like confused because I had learned the BTTM way of counting from the peak. So ever since I learned the Burke method, I changed how I count. I count of the peak, right? And then oftentimes I just know, I just have this imprint in my mind that, okay, this is what it is for the weekly template, but this is what it is, how I'm counting it to know that I'm going to potentially have a opportunity to take a reversal on a day 4, right? Which should turn to a 1. And this is where I had the most problems, but now, I've cleared it up. Hopefully I can help clear this up with you as well if you struggled with this. So like we said, this was day 1. And now the one thing that I added to the indicator was the previous day high lows. Okay. There is one caveat to that, but let's just go with this. I've had a video on it. I don't know if you've seen it, but anyway, here we go. We have our peak. We broke the high. Check. We're out of balance. We want to trade markets that are out of balance. Okay. Boom. Broke it. Check. Now, this is the 3rd break, guys. Okay. I'm expecting it to reverse because it not only did it hit the previous day high, it failed, okay, and it darn near went to the previous week high. It didn't make it. It just created a new high of the day, which broke out the previous day high, and that's where it failed. And we have a beautiful reversal. We're going to take the low. That's what I do all the time. I'll take the low to the high of the new day, and the entry is going to be, around this area. Now, in my other videos, that if the high, yesterday's high is there, that's your entry. But obviously I'm not awake for this, but whoever trades London is awake for this. And that is the entry all the time. Okay. The open price or the close price is way down here, right? That's another entry. Or guess what? That's where you're going to take your first target. And then your last target can be yesterday's low. Cause we always, especially when we're on the 3rd day of the reversal day, just use the previous day low as a target, especially since it came up from there, because at this point we've had 3 clear pushes. Okay. This is the cleanest push I've ever seen. So now guess what? New York, we are in the reversal. Hence why you see 3 previous day high low trade set up, because that is usually high probability trade for the reversal. And then, perhaps sometimes it will change the trend, right? And sometimes it's just a reversal within the current trend, but we're not going to know that until the next, trading session. So I hope you learned something here. Have any questions, drop them in the chat. See you in the next one.